Hi guys, how to make laptop. Like new again. Now, before starting, make sure to back up all your important files online or to an external drive, as this process will erase everything on the device. Here's a critical warning. Once you start, there's no undo, so double check your backups. Click the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. This is where all your system recovery options live. Select Update and Security from the Settings menu, then look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Recovery. Here's a quick heads up. If you don't see Recovery, scroll down because it's sometimes hidden below Windows Update. Look for the Reset This PC section and click the Get Started button. This is the most important step, so don't click anything else in this menu. Choose Remove Everything from the pop-up menu. Next, select Local Reinstall to reinstall Windows without waiting for a download. Confirm the final settings, click Next, and then hit Reset to start the process.